Want to know how to use the reduced transparency feature on iOS 26? This new blurry style of iOS 26 might be annoying to you, but don't worry folks. After watching this video, you can improve text contrast and clarity by reducing those background blur effects. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Display and Text Size. Here, you will find the Reduced Transparency option. Now simply toggle it on. Now swipe down, and here your liquid glass effect is gone. And then, if you want to turn back the blurry looks again, then toggle it off. And this is the way to use the Reduced Transparency feature on your iPhone after the iOS 26 update. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye for today.